children. Yesterday we read the chapter and we understood the story Jungle Safari, and it's about Kanha National Park. I hope you all have read the story and understood, watched the video carefully, and you all have written the word meanings which I have shared in the end of the video. And now it's time to start doing its question answers. So let's start with question C2, children. So children, the question C2 is all about on the basis of story read. Okay, organize the events in the correct order by writing the number against each sentence. Now here you have to rearrange these sentences and you have to write the proper numbering, okay, in the boxes. If you think that we got up early in the morning, this is your first sentence, then you have to write here one number in the box, and just like this you have to find out the second sentence, okay, and you have to write the two number in the box given in front of the sentence. So let's do it. Now children, I have already rearranged the sentences. You just need to write numbering in front of these particular sentences. So the first sentence is we got up early in the morning. In front of this sentence, in the box given in front of this sentence, you have to write one number. There was a special boat for our family. This is our second sentence, so you need to write two number in the box. We saw a herd of sambar deer close to the lake. Okay, this is our third sentence, so write 3 in the box. We began track with calm minds. This is our fourth sentence. The fifth sentence is we saw the footprints of elephants, bears and tigers. And the sixth sentence is we put our legs in the cool waters of the lake. And the last sentence, the seventh sentence is we spotted a family of tiger. Let's read question C3, children. In question C3, some words have been given and you have to write the synonyms of given words from the story itself, and you have to find out the synonyms of these words from the story. So the first word is discourage from doing something. This means deter, D-E-T-E-R, deter. Okay, the second word is quickness, and the synonym of this word is swiftness, S-W-I-F-T-N-E-S-S. Okay, the correct pronunciation is swiftness. The third word is overwhelm. Mesmerized. The synonym of this word is mesmerized, M-E-S-M-E-R-I-S-E-D. The fourth word is expedition. The meaning of or the synonym of this word is trek, T-R-E-K, trek. Okay, write down these words in the book. Okay, write in front of these words and don't do any spelling mistake. Now let's start doing C4 question. So the first part of this question is what is the narrator excited about? And the answer of this question is the narrator is excited about his visit to Kanha National Park. Okay, K capital of Kanha, N capital of National Park, P capital of Park. The next question, second question is how did the lake water turn from silver to golden? And the answer of this question is the lake water turned from silver to golden due to sun rays. Why? Due to sun rays. Okay, the answer of third question is yes, the narrator was scared of the wild animals in the forest. And why the narrator was scared? Because they saw the footprints of elephants, bears and tigers. Now children, the question C5 is all about you need to write the collective noun, okay, for these group of words. Now the first group of word is group of sheep, a group of sheep. So which collective noun we use for a group of sheep, children? Flock of sheep. We have done this exercise in our first unit naming words of your practice book, so I hope you will not be having any problem while doing it. A group of wolves means pack of wolves. A group of monkeys troop of monkeys, troop of monkeys. A group of geese, gaggle of geese. A group of tigers, streak of tigers. A group of whales, pod of whales. Okay, so do all these question answers in your book, and if you want to write all these answers in your notebook, you can write. I don't have any problem with that. Okay, it's up to you, it's totally on you. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.